But forget about this, it's so easy. Let's go! Hello everybody, today we make baked chicken with a basil sauce. Let's start with the basil. And put the basil like over here in this bowl. Okay, now the basil, make sure to wash it good and drain it really good. You see how nice? You know, got no water over here. We put the garlic. I got the flake hot pepper. But see, you know one, the hot pepper, no use. But I like spice. Yeah, I got sea salt. I use olive oil, olio di oliva. Okay, we started with this. I need more, we use more. Okay, and let's start. All right, let's put a little bit more oil. Now, let's take out. And look how beautiful it look. We put everything inside the chicken wings, thighs. Already I put salt and black pepper. Oh, look how beautiful, nice color, beautiful. Now we gotta mix really good. And I think the best thing of this chicken, I got in my hands. My hands, it's clean, everybody see what I do. And I mix. I don't want somebody say, Pasquale, what happened to your gloves? This is my gloves. And I mix. And this is, I gotta eat, my wife, my son, and the fiancée, Diane over here, she can't wait for this. Okay, now this is all mixed, but now I gotta wash my hands. Let's put everything on this pots over here. Oh, I put over here, look how beautiful, the wings, and we put nice. First thing, I don't want my wings to fly away anyway. A lot of time, you never know. It can fly away from me. Now I got some of the onion. I don't got to chop. The only thing you take like this, and you put a couple of pieces like that. Okay, it give a better taste for everything. And now we got the rosemary. And the rosemary I cut. I grow this rosemary. And I'm not spraying not. The only thing you got the rosemary, water. It's it. Okay, now this you gotta go in the oven at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Okay. So beautiful. Okay, now it's about 30 minutes and let's see what it look like, my chicken. Oh boy, it's heavy. Okay. Now we gotta flip over and we do one by one. Oh, look how nice. Oh boy, I want to enjoy myself for this, boy. Hello? And now you gotta go back in the oven for another 25-30 minutes. All right. Okay, let's check my chicken. All right. Okay, now we turn the last time. And we gotta put it back in the oven. They give a beautiful color on the chicken. It look really, really good. We gotta put it for 5 minutes on a broil. That's it. Okay, 5 minutes, and now it look really, really good. I'll take one of the wings. Ooh, ooh, it's hot. All right, now. Oh boy. But what happened? Every time I gotta cook this and that, you gotta... Who is? Nobody. Look how beautiful look. Nice cook, nah? Delicious. With a nice glass of wine, it's so delicious. Nice cold, pick it up for the refrigerator. I hope somebody make this chicken. It's so good. Chin chin e salute everybody, and we see next time. Chin chin, salute.